Hello everyone, I am Govindaraman, currently pursuing my computer science and engineering degree in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the department of CSCAI, that is Artificial Intelligence. So in today's presentation, we will be studying about the introduction to process models and what are the various types of process models. So before getting into the video, let me tell you the brief description of what process models are. Process models are the structured frameworks that guide the development of software and other complex systems. They provide a step-by-step roadmap for organizing tasks, managing resources, and ensuring successful project delivery. Understanding the principles and applications of process models is crucial effective project management. So moving on, what are process models? As we discussed in the previous slide, the process models are structured frameworks that guide the development of software products or complex systems or software. So basically they provide you a step-by-step roadmap for organizing tasks, managing resource and ensuring you complete the project successfully and deliver it to the client. So it even helps you to standardize the workflows, improve the efficiency of the project, and it will help you to find out the risks which are involved in the project, and you can minimize the risk throughout the project cycle using these process models. Moving on, let us see what are the different types of process model. Waterfall model, agile model, iterative model, spiral model. So waterfall model is basically a sequential approach where each stage must be completed before moving into the next stage. It is suitable for small projects or defined projects with stable requirements. Agile model is nothing but it is an iterative adaptive process that emphasizes collaboration, flexibility and continuous improvement. Ideal for big projects. So basically agile methodology is used by many companies even now because it is kind of iterative and adaptive processes, right? So it helps you to do the tasks and fix any kind of errors, which is very best suited for the software companies. The iterative model is like cyclic approach where the system repeatedly refined and enhanced through multiple iterations allows for incremental delivery and feedback. Spiral model. Spiral model we can also call it as a risk driven model which combines other elements such as waterfall, iterative approaches. It mainly focuses on identifying the risks throughout the development cycle. So let us briefly see what is waterfall model. Waterfall model is a sequential phase-based approach of software development. It divides the processes into distinct stages where each step or each process must be completed before moving into the next phase. So this structured methodology is well suited for projects with well-defined stable requirements that are unlikely to change in mid-development. The waterfall model also include phases like requirement, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. Moving on, the agile model. Agile model is an iterative adaptive approach of software development that emphasizes collaboration, flexibility, and continuous improvement. It centers around delivering working software in small incremental releases rather than single large-scale development. Agile team organize their work through practices like Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. They embrace change, prioritize customer feedback, and rapidly respond to the evolving requirements through the development cycle. Iterative model. Iterative model is a cyclic approach where the development process is broken down into smaller manageable cycles. After each iteration, and the next plan or the next phase of the development will be continued. This flexible responsive approach is well suited for projects with evolving requirements of high levels of uncertainty. Spiral model. Spiral model is risk driven software model approach that combines elements of waterfall and iterative models, where in each cycle consists of four main phases: that is planning, risk analysis or risk management, engineering, and evaluation. A team evaluates progress, analyzes the risks, and refines the system based on customer feedback before moving into the next iteration. So let us see what are the advantages of this process model. The first is improved efficiency. Process models standardize workflows and streamline project management, enabling teams to work more effectively and avoid costly delays. The second advantage is risk mitigation. By identifying and addressing potential risks at each stage, process models helps the organizations to anticipate and manage challenges before they move to the next phases or before they escalate to next phase. Quality assurance. Comprehensive testing and quality control measures built into process models ensuring high quality deliverables and smoother deployment process. Visibility and control. The structured frameworks of process models provide greater visibility into project status, allowing for better decision making and control over the software development cycle. What are the challenges of process models? Let us see what are the challenges which a developer faces while he is using process model. Lack of flexibility. Rigid process models can struggle to adapt to changing in requirements or unexpected challenges, which will lead to delays or frustration to the employee. Resistance to change. Team members may be reluctant to adopt new process models, preferring to stick familiar but potentially less effective models. Complexity and overhead. Implementing and adhering to these process models requires significant time and resources, which can be a burden for smaller teams or for smaller projects. Moving on. So, yeah, conclusion and key takeaways of this presentation. Finally, the process models are essential frameworks that guide successful development of software products and complex systems. By understanding different types of process models and their unique advantages and challenges that can an organization face, they can so organizations will have an idea to choose which approach will be best suited for the project requirement and their work culture. Thank you. That's all for today. Bye bye.